Hi, today I want to talk to you a little bit about motivation and inspiration, the key differences and which one will be the most helpful in the long term. And finally, at the end, I will share with you a resource that you can get to help you ensure that you keep inspired to do what's necessary over the long term. Now, think of motivation as something you need daily. It's like you need a bit of a push to get up and do some of those things we have to do every day. Just like you want to wash your face and clean your teeth, you need motivation daily. And sometimes we get motivated because someone else gives us a push and a shove. Sometimes the pain of not doing something motivates us into action, or there might be a consequence. However, the greatest thing for achieving our goals is when we are inspired. Now, inspiration, instead of being a push, is a little bit like a pull. Imagine it like a magnet or fuel that is propelling you towards your goal. And interestingly, in research, it's shown that in the brain, the default mode network lights up, which is the area for self-reflection and imagination. And that's opening up possibility, potential, and expanding the energy into the world of future possibilities. Think of a time you watched an amazing performance, whether a sporting performance, singing, acting, artistic performance. Quite often it connects us at that deep level. We're not quite sure why, but it moves us and it inspires us. So it's tapping into that piece of us that we have, a potential that we can be, do, and achieve whatever we want. So the key here is when you are creating your goals, you want to really get to know yourself. What do you stand for? What's important and what do you want? The more we know what's important to us, the more we can ensure we've aligned our goals and that they inspire us. We want to drill down until we can get a really compelling reason for achieving what we want at a core level. Something like fulfillment, achievement, pride, happiness. Something that is inspiring, because that is what is going to hold you stronger every day to do the things that's necessary to achieve your goals. And it's a much higher and more exciting energy to be inspired. It doesn't take so much effort. But again, sometimes we need the motivation. But if you can remind yourself of what inspires you, that is how you can keep on track over the long term. Because as humans, we are very much driven for instant reward, short-term gratification, rather than deferring all of that for a long-term reward. Now, if you want to ensure that your goals inspire you, then reach out, just send me a note, and I'll be happy to send you a template that I've created to help you do exactly that, so that you can continue over the long course to achieve your goals and create the future that you desire. Thank you, Mandy Napier, Mindset for Success. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anybody else you know that would like to get a little bit more inspired on their journey and their goals. Thank you. Bye for now.